Hey guys, how's everyone doing? In this video, I will show you how to register the Linguise domain to get an API key. With Linguise, you can translate your website into over 80 languages in just a few minutes. I'll demonstrate on WordPress, but don't worry, we support over 40 plus CMS integrations. You'll also learn how to manage languages and use our automatic edit translation feature. Now, let me walk you through the process of creating a Linguise account and obtaining the API key, so you can install Linguise on your WordPress site. To begin, you'll need to access the Linguise website. I'll provide the link below in the description for your convenience. Once you're there, click on the button that will redirect you to the registration page. I should mention that Linguise offers a full-month trial without requiring a credit card, so you won't have to worry about canceling any subscription if the trial period expires. After registration, which is a straightforward process, I believe I don't need to guide you through it. You can either register using your Google or Microsoft account or create a dedicated account specifically for your website. For now, I'll be using one of my Google accounts for a quick demonstration. Once you've completed the registration, let's connect Linguise to your WordPress domain by following these steps. First, click on the Add Domain option on your Linguise dashboard. Then, retrieve your domain's URL, which in this case is your WordPress site, by copying the URL link and pasting it in the designated field. Next, choose the base language for your page, and you're all set. The final step is to copy the provided API key and return to your WordPress page. Navigate to the Linguise plugin in the left navigation bar. Paste the API key into the main settings and apply the registered API key. And just like that, you're ready to explore the amazing features of this plugin. As mentioned before, Linguise is supported and connected with many CMS. This direct connection enables the translation tool to seamlessly integrate into your website, detecting and translating any newly added content. Alright, now we're getting into the main part of the video, how Linguise works. In the main settings of the plugin, you have the ability to configure how the translation of languages will be handled on your page. For my page, I've set the base language as English. This means that by default, the page will be displayed in English for visitors. However, I can also select other languages so that foreign visitors can have the page automatically translated for them as well. To make it even easier for visitors to identify and switch between languages, the language switcher includes flags that are associated with each language. I have the option to choose from 3 different display styles. The first one is the side-by-side display, which you can see in the demo on the right side of the plugin. All available languages are listed in a row. However, I personally find this display a bit messy and prefer a more elegant look. So, I can switch to the drop-down setting or the pop-up setting, where only the chosen language will be displayed. Now, let's see how this setting affects my page. I'll switch to my page and click on the language setting to change it to another language. Not only will the display change accordingly, but the language of my page will also be automatically translated.